welcome to this week's edition of the Panel Guide. This week we're going to be talking about something exciting, something we launched a couple of years ago, and then due to the market situation with construction and everything else, and obviously with my other business obviously having to close last year, we had to stop any progress and developments. We're excited now that myself and Chris we're going to be relaunching the products as of today. So this is now readily available across the whole of the entire market, across the whole of Europe, globally if need be. So whether you're an architect and you're looking to build new projects with a composite panel and with sustainable methods of construction with solar, or whether you're a main contractor, whether you're looking at new builds, or whether you're looking at building refurbishments, or whether you're an installer, a solar installer, a roofing contractor, and again you're looking for products which are suitable. Loads of products on the market available. There's like the Kingspan power panel, there's all kinds of monocrystalline type systems, all fantastic in their own right, but what makes this is very unique. The EDE Delta Energy, which is the first product we're going to be launching today. This is basically so unique because it's lightweight. So that means that although it's been fully tested with a number of panel manufacturers, we've talked about it previously with Bruker, with R-Panel, Prosinsky and Fisher Profil, it's also assessed then for use with other composite panel systems. So if you are a panel manufacturer and currently you're offering for the solar network and the solar industry is the aluminium clips, or whether you've got to offer a full complete system with the composite panels as well, sometimes the budget just doesn't allow that. What we've got is the correct solution for you. This can be retrofitted at any time to a project, so we can come to site, we can come and do a survey of your existing roof, we can make sure that it's structurally sound, that the coating is sufficient and everything is fine with the existing roof, whether it needs any maintenance or anything before commencement can carry on. We've got the solution for you, so we can do all that work and we can assist you all the way through the planning, all the way from specification to installation on site. The other benefit of this product is, as I say, because it is a retrofit system, lots of solar projects don't go ahead because of budget. Yes, solar is very expensive, but because with structural issues with the traditional glass type systems, which are very, very heavy, you've got to make sure that the roof, if a project's been built in the last 15-20 years, then maybe that project isn't, the structural steelwork has been built on a budget, so it's not been designed to take additional loads of a heavy solar glass system. The beauty of this system is it is so unique. It's like 3-4 mil of thickness, and obviously then it's integrated into the system. But we have two methods with compression, which are clamps in. What you've got here is, this is the system which we have. This is put together with a PIR roof panel system. As you can see here, you've got top hat systems which then hold the actual PV in place. It fits within the crowns of the panel. Now the beauty of this system is it's available in the anthracite black. It can also be supplied with the terracotta colour as well. So again, if you're looking for more of an earth tone, if it's got a blending with for planning in whatever, in an urban environment, we've got the solution for you. But the system is, this is the solar system. Now, fully flexible, can be walked on during construction, and also during, obviously depending on how it's put together, because it can also be worked with self-adhesive systems as well, which we are doing full testing with 3M. And like I said, that's with the various systems from 3M. So it can be bonded to within the crowns, depending on the span of the actual dimensions within. Some panel manufacturers have 500 mil crowns, so we can actually make a wider solar tile which actually fits within the crowns, but we can also bond on top of the crowns as well. The beauty of this system is obviously it can then be compressed, so it's never at any point actually screwed into the roof of the system. Like I say, the top hats can be, but they can also be bonded too. But that means then there's no water ingress, there's no issues in terms of worry about maintenance and ongoing problems with leaking or anything like that during the construction. And again, because it is such a lightweight system, as you see here, and fully flexible, this means that you don't need to put additional structural steelwork in to actually hold the weight of this. Now the system goes together obviously with MC4 connections, which you see here, top and bottom. If it is a self-adhesive system, we also do a system where the connections are on the outside. If anybody wants to see some details of that, I can get you some samples, I can show them to you. But yeah, it is a really exciting product. Each one of these, which is 1330 long, does deliver 80 watts. Now, may not sound like a great deal, but obviously over the span of a panel, which is 1 meter wide, so you should be able to get 3, maybe 4, depending on obviously how your integration goes together. But again, as an overall construction, it gives you the actual solution and the performance for renewable energy. So again, without actually putting the additional cost in of structural steelwork, ballasts, and having to adjust your foundations to take that significant load, this is at least 70% lighter than a traditional glass membrane, and that's not including the actual structural steelwork required for that. So again, if it is a new build, if it is an old, existing build, you're looking to refurbish the roof, put some sustainable methods of construction in place, this is the solution for you without having to go down the road of having to put additional steelwork in and get the structural engineers to calculate and to then progress that way. But we have got the solution for you, as I say. So, please get in touch. We've got the system. If you are, as I say, if you are a manufacturer, we have spoken to a couple of manufacturers over the last couple of weeks who are interested in the idea. They love the idea. They love that it's fully tested. It has been done. It's not something which is just it's not an overnight success, an overnight idea. This has been, many years in the development. A team of myself, Chris and Bruce, we came up with the idea a number of years ago, and we worked together. And as I say, we developed it with Bruker, with our panel, Brzezinski, and with Fisher Profile. And it has obviously gone through the rigorous testing there with them, actually tested with the panels as well, with both PIR and with mineral wool core roofing systems as well. The other beauty of this is as well, it can be used on the walls, so you can have a complete total envelope solution of sustainable and renewable energy. So yeah, get in touch. We've got the solution for you. Again, we can survey, we can support you with the the specification. We can do the calculations for you. And if you are a composite panel manufacturer yourselves and you are looking to come up with an alternative system, we've got it for you. And as you see here, just in the background, this is the simplicity. We've gone through testing with EOT, obviously, the German fixing manufacturer. We went to the Applitec testing facility in Leeds last year. We went through the team with Brian and all his colleagues, and they enjoyed obviously the installation. They really assisted us with methods of construction and the best way to make it work, so it does work perfectly. And it has all been done and tested. So yeah, get in touch. Contact details will be at the end as ever for myself and Chris. We can deliver anywhere in the world, anywhere in Europe, but obviously at the moment, energy prices are through the roof and they're not slowing down. And certainly in the United Kingdom, the government's not helping anybody with terms of the prices continuously going up. So if you have got an issue with with budget and you are looking to do renewable energy on your projects that you're working on, please get in touch, because we might have solutions for you, because we can offer funding. So things like PPA and other financial support which we can give you. The way that would work is basically, initially we'll do a survey for you, we'll calculate the overall cost of your roof, and then we can then tell you whether there will be a funding period where the roof will be paid for, and then obviously at the end of that period the roof is then your own, so you get 100% of the performance of the the renewable performance from the solar. But like I say, we are keeping up to date with technology. We are keeping up to date with the best manufacturing performances in the world. We've already gone from 55 watts per tile up to 80 watts, so we are getting better and better and better. But again, you know, you've got a self-cleaning system here, obviously, you know, within you know, common sense of self-cleaning. Obviously, you know, your annual maintenance will need to be taken care of, as with any roofing construction, certainly with composite panels. But yeah, really excited to launch it again today. You know, send us your inquiries, let us see what we can do for you, and let's see if we can give you some support. But yeah, thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.